Hello and welcome to our channel. Are you interested in investing your money, but feel overwhelmed by all the options out there? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll talk about one of the easiest and most popular ways to invest: mutual funds and exchange-traded funds, also known as ETFs. So, what are mutual funds and ETFs? Well, they are both investment vehicles that pool money from multiple investors and invest it in a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other assets. The difference between them is that mutual funds are actively managed by a fund manager, while ETFs are passively managed and track a specific index. Mutual funds are priced at the end of the trading day and can only be bought or sold at that price. ETFs, on the other hand, trade throughout the day like stocks. Both mutual funds and ETFs offer investors a convenient way to diversify their portfolios and access a variety of investments that they may not be able to purchase individually. Investing in mutual funds and ETFs can have many benefits, such as 1. Diversification. By investing in a variety of assets, you can reduce your risk and potentially increase your returns. 2. Professional management. With mutual funds, you have a professional fund manager who makes investment decisions on your behalf. 3. Low cost. ETFs are generally less expensive than mutual funds, making them a great option for cost-conscious investors. 4. Accessibility. You can invest in mutual funds and ETFs with as little as a few $100s, making them accessible to many investors. How to invest in mutual funds and ETFs? The first step is to determine your investment goals. Before investing in mutual funds or ETFs, it's important to determine your investment goals. Are you investing for retirement, a down payment on a home, or a child's education? Knowing your goals will help you select the right type of fund to invest in. Second step is to choose a brokerage account. To invest in mutual funds and ETFs, you'll need to open a brokerage account. There are many brokerage firms to choose from, so it's important to do your research and select a firm that meets your needs. Next, you select a mutual fund or ETF. Once you've opened a brokerage account, you'll need to select a mutual fund or ETF to invest in. When choosing a fund, consider its investment strategy, fees, and historical performance. Remember to invest regularly. Investing regularly is a great way to build wealth over time. Consider setting up automatic investments to make it easier to stick to your investment plan. One concern that many people have about mutual funds and ETFs is that they can be complex and hard to understand. While there is some truth to this, investing in mutual funds and ETFs can be made easier by doing your research and choosing a reputable fund with a solid track record. Also, what fees are associated with mutual funds and ETFs? Mutual funds and ETFs charge fees for management and other expenses. When selecting a fund, be sure to review its fee structure and consider the impact on your overall returns. Few factors to consider when choosing ETFs or mutual funds to invest in. First, it's important to look at the fund's historical performance. Past performance does not guarantee future results, but it can give you an idea of how the fund has done in different market conditions. Second, consider the fund's expense ratio. The expense ratio is the annual fee charged by the fund to cover its operating expenses. A lower expense ratio means more of your money is being invested, rather than going towards fees. Third, look at the fund's holdings and make sure they align with your investment goals and values. For example, if you're looking for a socially responsible investment, you may want to consider a fund that focuses on companies with strong environmental, social, and governance (ESG) practices. Finally, consider the fund's diversification. Diversification means spreading your money across different investments to reduce risk. A well-diversified fund will have holdings in different industries, sectors, and asset classes. To wrap things up, here are some tips to keep in mind when investing in mutual funds and ETFs. 1. Do your research before investing in any fund. 2. Consider diversification to reduce risk. 3. Understand the fees and expenses associated with the fund. 4. Invest for the long term. We hope this video has helped you understand the basics of mutual funds and ETFs and how they can be a great investment option for many people. By following the tips and guidance in this video, you can start investing in these funds with confidence. Remember to do your research, select funds that align with your investment goals, and invest regularly to achieve success. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to leave your feedback below. Like and subscribe for more financial education videos.